Balikan natin. Attorney Tolosa, gusto ko lang tanungin, di ba? Yung sa BIR box, di ba? Has the prosecution ever written to the President to request the unsealing of the same? Because that is provided for in the National Internal Revenue Code. So, apart from the fact of course, we believe that the High Court of Impeachment has the right to subpoena these documents, and the prosecution should be able to use the coercive powers of the court, no? Yung to secure evidence. Meron bang ganyang route? Pinag-uusapan ba yan? At paano, let's say for example, kung ayaw, kasi alam mo naman tong Senado, kaya nga may bantay Senado, kung kaya nila magbaril-barilan at kaya nila magkandara pa, eh baka naman kaya rin nilang hindi magbukas ng envelope or hindi buksan yung ebidensya. Ito bang route na ito ay posibilidad para sa prosecution?
Well, for the record, we haven't sent any letter to the President asking for his consent for this BIR documents. But nandito pa lang ho tayo dun sa request for issuance of subpoena. Ang sa amin ho wag nating pangunahan kung anong maging hakbang na gagawin ng BIR Commissioner sa bagay na to. But tama naman din ho, no, as pointed out by the impeachment court dun sa previous impeachment proceedings, the late CJ Corona, ganun ho ang nangyari. Ang BIR Commissioner, siya ho humingi ng consent ng Presidente, no, para mabuksan ito. So that's one of the options that are available to us. Pwedeng gawin yan ng BIR Commissioner if he doesn't act. Of course, that option's there and it's under deliberation kung prosecution ho ang susubukang magsimula nito, no? But sa ngayon, ayaw muna ho namin pangunahan yon. Hintayin din namin kung anong magiging hakbang na gagawin ng BIR.
So just to clarify, Attorney, nung panahon ni Renato Corona, ni-request ng BIR Commissioner at pinabuksan, na binigay ni Pangulong Aquino yung permission to open the...
Tama ho. Yan ho ang understanding namin na nangyari doon. No? Kaya ayaw ho namin pangunahan ngayon na kung anong hakbang na gagawin ng kasalukuyang BIR Commission.
And ang laman ng box na to, just for the record, at least for the sa theory ng prosecution, hindi naman ito yung, hindi natin alam kung ano laman nun, wow, bubuksan, tapos bahala na kung ano laman, no? These are the tax returns of Inday Sara and Manscarpio. Ba o Inday Sara lang?
Both ho,
Both. So, ibig sabihin, alam natin kung anong laman. In fact, kayo nga yung nag-request nito, it's just that it came with in a sealed and sealed box. Kasi sabi ng BIR Commissioner, hindi yan basta-basta pwedeng buksan.
The level of the House.
At the level of the House, yun ba? And then the House, just to err on the side of prudence and caution, decided not to open it anymore despite the fact na may subpoena power sila at will leave it up to the impeachment court. Tama po ba yun?
Tama ho, maalala natin na si mismong Congresswoman Laila De Lima, no, ang sa kanya ho, ang posisyon niya yun, pwede itong buksan, even at that level. Dahil maliwanag sa Constitution yan, this is paramount to any other law. So, this trumps the NIRC, no? So, para sa kanya, pwedeng buksan. And a lot of them actually agreed with her. Pero, as you've mentioned, they just erred on the side of caution dahil alam nila baka gawin pang issue ito. Pupunta na naman sa Supreme Court, pati aro. So, ang sa kanila, sige, mas doon na tayo sa mas safe, doon na lang natin ito pag-usapan pagdating na sa Senate.
So, sinabi to ni Congresswoman Laila De Lima, dating Secretary of Justice, no? Number 8, part-top notcher, no? At matagal ng abogado. And I share that particular opinion kasi may subpoena powers nga yung House. Ibig sabihin, they can secure these pieces of information, especially since the House has the right to solely initiate. And in order for them to be able to initiate, they should be able to access pieces of evidence at that stage so that they can craft the articles of impeachment accordingly. Di ba? Kung meron kang karapatan mag-initiate, kailangan may karapatan ka rin makakuha ng ebidensya. Kaya nga may hearings sa Committee on Justice level. No?